Welcome to this week exercise. Remember, from the first exercise, if you are just joining me or you're just seeing my video, please go and see my previous videos. Start from there, because we don't just start here. We are taking this exercise step by step. You understand? We don't just start here. So it's a gradual process. We introduce one, get used to it, introduce another one, get used to it. So gradually we are climbing the ladder. And by the end, within a month, 2 months, your game in the other room has changed. Remember, it's a married couple or single guys that are intended to marry very soon. So they're just getting themselves prepared. So you're going to use this video, use this exercise to get yourself prepared so you won't have to have an issue with your wife in terms of sex. Like I said, make sure you start from the beginning. The first exercise, the important one, most important one, squeeze and release is very important. Very important. In fact, any day you're doing exercise, make sure you do that one at the front, at the beginning, middle, or the end, but make sure it's there. And every exercise I'm giving you, they're important. So today we're going to dive into this exercise. But before then, the intake for this week is clove. You can mix ginger and clove and drink. Like I said, whether you take this or not, just this exercise, make sure you avoid these three things I said. Watch my previous video: masturbation, sugar, and make sure you take rest. You rest well, at least 8 hours recommended for the day. So with these things, you're good to go. You understand? Avoid these three things, you're good to go. You are doing this exercise, you're good to go. You don't need, why I'm just saying all those things is just, it's healthy too. It helps your system. So it's not important. So, but like I said, I'll keep bringing it for you guys. So I'm doing the first position for the exercise. Look at me. I'm holding my legs. Exercise with me. Begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 11. 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 13. 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3, hour. You rest for 10 seconds and you go again. I'm changing position like this so you see the different angles of this exercise. Exercise with me. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 2, 3, 17, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3. So I've done this position. Let me change to like this. Still the same thing. So let's go. Exercise with me. Begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 11. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 13. 2, 3, 14. 1, 2, 3, 15. 2, 3, 16. 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3. So, guys, if you are doing this exercise well, you'll be feeling it here. If you're not feeling it here, you're not doing the right thing. You not take the right position and you're not doing the right thing. So, if you're not feeling you're not doing the right, make sure you do the right thing. Press it, press it. You understand? So, that is it for this week exercise. Make sure you do the previous exercise. Do all of them. I believe by now you are used to them already. So just add this one to your exercises that you already had. So I'll see you in my next exercise. Make sure you like this video, you share this video to the person that need it, so that I'll keep posting, encouraged to be doing more videos. So I'll see you guys. Thank you. Peace.